Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Today's video is about TCS NQT interview experience. In this video, I will be discussing about my friend's interview experience and the questions which were asked from him. So before starting the video, I would like to tell you that I have already made an video on the TCS important interview questions which are being asked in the interview. So please check that out. I will provide the link in the description. So now let's just start this video. So the date of the interview was 11th November. The platform on which the interview took place is Microsoft Teams. The profile was Ninja profile. The department in which my friend is the IT department, and the duration of the interview was 35 minutes. So the panelist consisted of 3 members. First was the technical person, then was the managerial person, and then was the HR person. So now let's just look at the questions which were asked in these rounds. So first of all, the technical questions are there. So first question was, tell me about yourself. So this is the most important question in your interview, because this question will decide where your interview will lead to. So please guys, prepare well for this question, that is, tell me about yourself, because the rest of the interview, that is rest of the 30 to 35 minutes, will depend upon your answer in this question. So the first question was, tell me about yourself. In this question, my friend told about the internship he did and told that he likes doing coding and he is very proficient in data structure and algorithm. So the next question from here they asked was, which programming language does he prefer? So either C++ or Java. So he told that C++, that he prefers doing coding in C++. Then next question was from the OOPS concept, which was inspired by this programming language question. So next question was, explain the properties of OOPS. So he explained about the abstraction, inheritance and polymorphism and rest others, like what is a class, what are objects, and what are data encapsulation. So he explained about the properties of OOPS in detail. So the next question they asked were the, explain the diamond problem in inheritance. So guys, please note that the diamond problem in inheritance is a very famous problem, and it is asked in most of the interviews. So those who don't know, I will put the link in the description and you can read it from there, that what is the diamond problem and how it can be resolved. So this was the question asked from my friend. So he knew the answer and he explained it to them. So now in OOPS concepts only, these much questions were asked. First properties of OOPS, then the diamond problem. So the next topic they chose was the sorting algorithm. So they asked the question, which sorting algorithm out of bubble sort, selection sort and insertion sort does minimum swaps for getting the required answer in the worst case. So you can see that this is a very conceptual question based on the sorting algorithm. So for this question you must know all the sorting algorithms so that you can compare those sorting algorithms and give the answer. So the answer of this question is that selection sort, because in the worst case we know that the array is sorted in the descending order and the minimum number of swaps, and when we will use bubble sort, then there will be swap at each and every iteration. So it will cost a lot of swaps. In selection sort we know that we first find the smallest number and then swap it with the current number. So in selection sort what will happen, in the worst case 5 times the swapping will happen, 5 times in the sense n times the swapping will occur. And in insertion sort, when it is the worst case, then in insertion sort also at every step the swapping will take place. So in bubble sort as well as in insertion sort, both will take O of n square swapping in the worst case, but the selection sort will take O of n swapping in the worst case. So you should be aware of all the sorting techniques for the interview. So this was a conceptual question based on the sorting algorithms. Now the next question was also from the sorting algorithm. They asked him which sorting algorithm is better between merge sort or quick sort. So he told the answer and explained the algo of the required algorithm. So you should be thorough with the algos of all the algorithm, and you should know their best time, worst time and average time complexities of the sorting algorithm. So now they were done with OOPS concept and they are done with the sorting algorithm. Now they asked him the question, tell about the project he did in the internship. So I have told you that he mentioned in about yourself that he has done internship recently and he likes doing coding. So in coding part they have already asked the sorting algorithms. Now they came to the internship part. They asked him to describe the project he did in the internship. So and then to answer to this question he described the entire project, and his project was based on the machine learning algorithms. So now the rest of the questions the technical asked were from the project only. So guys, please prepare your project very thoroughly so that you can answer the questions on them. So the first question he asked on the machine learning was, what is the difference between the supervised and unsupervised machine learning algorithm? So this was the question asked. So you should be thorough with the project, and you should also prepare the questions like what are the challenges faced in the projects, how did you done this project, like these questions. So you should prepare those questions also. Now the question asked from the machine learning was, what is the difference between supervised and unsupervised machine learning algorithm? This was the first question. Now second question from machine learning only, they asked him that is there training and testing data in case of unsupervised learning? It means that are there training and testing data different in case of unsupervised machine learning algorithm? So these two questions were very basic from machine learning. Anyone who has done machine learning quite a bit can answer these questions. So they are quite basic questions. So now from machine learning they dived into the Python, because my friend told that he implemented machine learning using Python. So the first question they asked him was, what is a tuple and what is tuple unpacking? So you should know that what is a tuple and what is tuple unpacking. It is also the basic of Python only. So you can see that all the questions asked in the technical round were basic only. None of them were harder questions. Now after this question they'll ask the technical person asked the last question, what is the difference between list and arrays in Python and which of them is fast? So it is also a basic question from Python only. So these were all the questions which were asked in the technical round. So you can see that all the questions were very basic and were from resume only, and the most important question is that tell me about yourself, and they asked all the topics from tell me about yourself only. That was projects done in internship and coding part. So please prepare your tell me about yourself very thoroughly so that you can answer the questions. Now this was the technical round. So the technical round lasted only for 20 minutes. So next was the managerial round. There were two questions asked in the managerial round. First question was that what will you do if your team member is opposing your ideas every time? This was the first question, and the second question was that how will you approach a new technology? So I want to tell you that there are no such thing as right answer or wrong answer in the managerial round. So you should know the questions, and you should try to think the answer there only, because there is no right thing or wrong thing in these questions. It totally depends on how you are explaining the situation and how the interviewer is taking it. So please be little patient while answering the question. Try to explain it deeper. So these two were the managerial question. So only two questions were there. Next were the HR question. The HR questions were very common, which you have already known. The first HR question was, tell about your family background. The next was, where do you see yourself after 5 years? Third is, why TCS? Fourth and fifth are very common, that is, are you willing to relocate and are you fine with night shifts? So guys, these were the questions. So you can see that the HR questions are very common. You have heard it from many sources. You know, so one thing to keep in mind is that for all the companies the HR questions are common. So you can prepare for only one company and later replace the company name with the current company you are doing interview with. So these tricks will help you very much. So these were all the questions of technical round, managerial round and HR round. So the interview total lasted for 35 minutes. So I hope guys you like this video, and if you want more such interview experiences, please comment down and like this video. Thank you.